If you're worried about crushing your tailpipe and want an affordable and quality solution, this 6-element off-road trail exhaust pipe is a great mod to check out for your 2024 or newer Toyota Tacoma. Now this helps with sound, clearance, and the look of your truck while keeping it super simple with just an exhaust pipe if you don't want to drastically change the sound of your truck or make the swap too complicated. Now speaking of the sound, this is great for the daily driver who wants a comfortable ride and to clean up the look of the back of their truck, or the off-roader who is in search of that additional clearance without a louder high clearance option. Now on the loudness meter, this is a 2 out of 5, with 1 being stock and 5 being Wake the Neighbors Loud. So while you get some aggressive notes out of this exhaust pipe, the volume here is kept to a minimum. Now this feature is literally just an exhaust tip or small piece of piping that bolts up to your catback piping and tucks very closely underneath the truck. Now by removing the resonator and over axle piping in the back, this frees up a lot of space so you won't have to worry about your exhaust hitting the ground or getting pinched shut when you're departing off of obstacles on the trail or anywhere you're taking your Tacoma. Now because this is removing the rear resonator, it is more aggressive sounding, but again, it doesn't drastically increase the volume considering the main muffler is still on the vehicle, which makes for a pretty mellow and deep tone with this, with no drone to annoy you on longer drives or while you're cruising. Now the look it brings to the table is also pretty cool, even though it is hidden underneath the truck. The removal of the factory system hanging underneath that back bumper makes for a super clean look. This is crafted from TIG welded 304 stainless steel, being tough and able to completely resist rust and corrosion, which will keep this functioning well over time, even if you live in tough climates where you see a lot of road salt. Now, while it is a simple mod as far as the design is concerned, it's also a direct bolt-on install, making for an easy swap, and comes with a hanger welded onto the pipe to make sure that it sits in the factory location and still supports the rest of the exhaust at the same time. As you can imagine, this is pretty affordable for an exhaust mod at about $150. Now comparing this option to other solutions, this keeps it super simple by deleting the over axle piping, while other high clearance options may still extend to that over axle configuration or will come in a full kit where it's a complete catback replacement system. This is also made of 304, which is a top quality material, so you can trust over time it will keep this look and build. So again, if you're looking for quality but want it in a very simplistic way, this is a great option to consider for your truck. The hardest part about this install is fishing the old exhaust over that axle, so this gets a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should take about 2 hours or so in order to install it. However, at this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers here so they can show you a detailed breakdown on how to get this bolted up to your Tacoma at home. So that wraps it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
For this install, you will need an impact, a 14mm socket, and a hanger removal tool. What's up guys, today we're going to be doing an exhaust on our Tacoma, but before we get started, we're going to send you to watch a quick video on how to remove your factory setup, and we'll see you when you get back.
All right, so we're going to start taking our factory exhaust off by working at the back and working our way forward. So we have our first flange here that's right in front of our rear axle. We're going to grab our impact and 14mm socket and take these 2 nuts off. All right, now that those are off, this will allow us to remove our tailpipe. So we just have a couple hangers to hold our tailpipe section on. So we're gonna grab our exhaust hanger tool and pop our first one off here at the flange. All right, then we just have our hanger in the rear here to support your exhaust. And then you can pull the tail section out.
So now we're going to take our new off-road outlet. We're going to get that lined up with our hanger first. So we'll slide that into the isolator, and we'll get our 2 studs lined up on our flange. Then we're going to reattach those 14mm nuts. And we'll tighten those back down with our 14mm socket.
All right, that about wraps up our review and install of our 6-element off-road
trail exhaust pipe for your 24 to current Tacoma. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.